Hi, I'm Mike, and today I'm going to give you a chord exercise you can do to start out your practice routine every day. That's going to cover most of the first chord positions that you can play a lot of songs with, so they're good to learn. So let's get started, all right? So the first chord is going to be an A. You're going to put your middle finger on the second fret of the D string, your third finger on the G string on the second fret, and your fourth finger down here on the B string on the second fret. That's going to be an A chord, okay? Make sure your fingers are touching those strings and all the other strings ring real nice, okay? From A, you go to B, which you just bar the second fret. Put your middle finger on the B string on the third fret, your pinky down here on the fourth fret of the G string, and your third finger on the fourth fret of the D string. That will be B. So you'll go. So A, B, B, then C. C chord's going to be your third finger on the third fret of the A string, your middle finger on the second fret of the D string, your first finger up here on the B string on the first fret. So from C you go to D. D string is going to be first finger, second fret on the G string. Then your ring finger on the third fret of the B string. And then your middle finger is going to be on the second fret of the E string. Make sure all the strings ring nice. You go A, B, C, D, E. For an E chord, you're going to put your middle finger on the second fret of the A string, your third finger on the second fret of the D string, and your first finger on the G string up here on the first fret. So A, B, C, D, E. From E, we're going to go to F. For an F chord, you're going to put your third finger on the D string on the third fret, your middle finger on the second fret of the G string. Then you're going to take your first finger and you're going to cover up both of these these strings here. So A, B, C, D, E, F, and then G. For a G chord, it's going to be your middle finger on the third fret on the E string, first finger on the second fret of the A string, and then you can take, I like to use my fourth finger down here on the E string on the third fret. That'll be the G chord. And all the strings should ring nice and clearly. So you're going to go A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And once you've learned how to change from chords, you can change the picking. You can do. So all it is basically is the alphabet: A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. And I think if you were to do that for about 5 or 10 minutes before you started playing some songs, it's a great way to warm up your fingers and your coordination between your right and your left hand. So I hope you got something from this. I think it's a valid tip for a beginner guitar player. So if you like our page, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I hope this helps make you a better guitar player. Thank you and have a great day.